Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is week 1 of our weekly check-in for March of 2020. Now we are going to be going over a little bit for February because it's at the very end. So it's going to run from the 27th through the 4th. Now before I get started, make sure you subscribe down below and let me know how you're doing on your weekly check-ins. Do you spend more on groceries, out to eat, fun money, or your sinking funds? Let me know down below, and be sure to hit that notification because then you will be notified every time I upload, which is pretty much almost every single day, you guys. I have been cranking out videos every day and I hope y'all enjoy them. And for my new subscribers, hello, my name is Shirley. I do a lot of budgeting, meal planning, grocery hauls. I love to get to know people, so let me know if you have a channel because I am more than willing to go and check you out, get to know you, be friends with you. I love meeting new people. All right, you guys, so let's flip to February. And also, the planner that I will be using is the Erin Condren. It is the 7.9 planner. I absolutely love it. I did downgrade from the big size to the little size. If you're new, you wouldn't know that, but if you are a Laurel subscriber, then you would know that I downgraded. But anyways, all right, so on the 27th and the 28th, we had 2 no spins. So I'm going to be using some new stickers. This is from Tempest XOXO Designs. If you have not seen my Etsy haul or my newest video that came out on Wednesday is the March flip through. So go ahead and check that out. All the links will be down below. Alright, so the 27th and the 28th, we had a no spin. Now on the 29th, as always, this is the day that we do our gas and our groceries and everything else. So gas was $30 because I literally was going to E. Like literally going all the way down to E. And then Walmart was $22. And I decided to already go ahead and pre-write all of this just because it's just easier and the video is not longer, so you won't be like bored or anything like that. Alright, and then next we went to Walgreens and I did some couponing. I went couponing, so if you haven't seen that video will be linked down below. But I went couponing, but I also bought a couple of things that I did not show in the video, like drinks and snacks and everything else. So that was $21 that I spent. So before I flip to March, 2 no spins on the 27th and the 28th. And then on the 30th or the 29th, we did groceries for $22, gas for $30, and Walgreens was $21. All right, so we are going to flip to March. All right, so on the 1st, we went to Dollar Tree and I spent $21 in my fun money. So I went to Dollar Tree because my best friend was having back surgery and I just bought her a bunch of snacks and I had to buy tissue paper and gift bags and all that stuff. So I made her a little bag so she can have that at the hospital so she can snack on because she's on a regular diet. All right, and that is it. So on Tuesday, that is the day that I filmed my Transfer Tuesday. And those usually go up on Tuesday, but I try to film like the day before. So for my fun money, I took out $19 for my 52-week challenge. Now, if you haven't seen any of those, I have a playlist. It's under cash envelopes that has my 52-week challenge videos also. So go and check that out. There's a lot of promo going on in this video. But anyway, so that is everything that I spent on the 2nd. On the 3rd, I think I was late that day. Maybe it's either I was late or we forgot to take out some meat for dinner. But we went to Wendy's and spent $19. In Cushing. So yeah, all right, let's just move on from that because I need to stop eating out. But we eat out most of the time. Jared pays for me, so this is like a rare occasion when I really do go out to eat. All right, on the 4th, we went and got gas again because I have been driving back and forth to the hospital, visiting my friend and everything, and then going house hunting last weekend, and then all that stuff. So that is that. All right, and then on Wednesday, we had a doctor's appointment, so that is the sinking fund, so that was $75. And then groceries, while I was at the hospital and early in the morning, I was starving. So I went to their cafe and got a drink and a muffin, I think that's it. So that was $9. It's very expensive. Don't buy stuff at the hospital. All right, so recap before we switch to our weekly check-in page. On the 1st, we did the Dollar Tree for $21. Monday is Transfer Tuesday for $19. Tuesday was Wendy's for $19. Wednesday was gas for $10. Doctors for $75. And then the hospital cafe was $9. All right, so I'm going to zoom y'all out, and then we're going to flip to our weekly check-in. All right, so let's do this, you guys. All right, so groceries, I spent $22 and $9. So 22 plus 9, that is $31 spent, and I had $50 left. So that should be $19 left. Gas, I spent $30 and $10, making it $40. I had $50 left, so I should have $10 left. Fun money, we did $21 plus $19 equals to $40. And we had $48 left, so that is $8. And then cushion, we did out to eat, right? Which was $19, and then Walgreens couponing was $21. So 19 plus 21, that was $40. And I can't remember how much I had left in a cushion. Let's see. I had $64 left. So that is $24 left in cushion. And then sinking fund was $75. And I have, let's see, let's go back. I should really write this down just for like notes or whatever, so I don't have to flip back and forth, but it's fine. 1,044. So so that is $969 is how much we have left. All right, you guys. So that is our weekly check-in. Now I'm just going to go over, make sure we are lined up with our weekly check-in and our cash envelopes. So this is the Dave Ramsey envelope. I have mentioned it before. I got this whenever I signed up for the Financial Peace University, and I got this for like $10, but I think they're originally like $20. So if you want one of these, go ahead and get it. I really do need to start investing into like a little binder and make some cash envelopes for those, because this is kind of getting a little bit rough. All right, so groceries is $19. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right. Gas is $10 left, and that is correct. Fun money, we should have $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then cushion is my debit card, if you do not know that. And then sinking funds is our sinking funds that I do every 2 weeks. But that is it, you guys. So I hope y'all have a great week. Let me know how y'all are doing, as always. And I will see you guys later. Bye.